Andreý Makarewiç is one of the few Russian intellectuals who says what he thinks openly. His stand against the war in Ukraine is almost as famous as his songs, but has caused his concerts in Russia to be cancelled. Despite this, he looks on the bright side.
I arrived yesterday from Helsinki. If I was told in, let's say, 1977 that we will tour in Helsinki, Stockholm, the United States, Israel, and Germany, I would have thought it was a joke. We were not even allowed to come to Moscow.
So maybe international tours are connected to the fact that you have fewer performances here these days.
No, it's because they want to hear us. We had tours previously. They started from the moment when Mikhail Gorbachev made it possible. A big thank you to him for that.
Why did you begin to speak out about the conflict in Ukraine?
Because I felt that if I sat in silence and kept my mouth shut, I'd be a shit. All my life I've had the luxury of having the right to speak my mind to those who are interested. And I don't think I said anything outrageous. This was absolutely normal behavior. And I wish you would do the same. So I feel completely okay about it.
You had thousands of people singing along with you, and now, for these people, you're a traitor.
Значит так, во-первых, до этих многотысячных залов мы 10 лет сидели в глубокой заднице.
Well, before we got all these thousands of people in concert halls, we spent 10 years playing small underground concerts. It was shit. The authorities at that time, the Soviet authorities, treated us nearly the same way as the Russian authorities do now. I have already been through all this, so I'm not surprised. As for the thousands of people who sang along with me, I assure you, they would sing today as well.
Andreý Vladimirovich, there is fear everywhere these days. Does this bother you?
I am constantly in touch with a small number of people in my life, my friends. I haven't noticed any fear among them. I'm not interested in the rest of the population. I'm not so arrogant as to think I should re-educate them. It's a personal decision, how to live, whether to be afraid or not.
Why do you think we fight so much? We have a war every year. There was Ukraine, then Syria.
I think that war is one of the tried and tested ways of holding on to power. Unfortunately, I don't see any other reason.
Сорвались, как пропасть.